I'm going to be giving you a little tutorial on how to make your homemade facial mask. If you have pimples, black spots, ache on your face, this will help you do the trick. It's gonna get it out for you. So guys, I got you covered. I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure on how to make this. Not only how to make it, how to apply it on your face. I do this once in a month and it works wonderfully well for my skin. So shortly I'm going to be showing you my face, how it currently looks like, so that I can feel it when I finish applying, so you can see the little difference it does to my face. So you wanna know, stick with me today. So guys, as you can see in this video, I put up a parchment paper, an empty container and a funnel. The parchment paper is simply going to prevent peeling and to also give us a conducive environment for making our homemade facial masks. As you can see right there, I'm trying to separate the egg yolk from the egg white because in this recipe we just need our egg white to do the trick. So I'm separating it right now and I'm setting the egg yolk aside, and I'm going to show you shortly how the egg white looks like after it has been separated. So right there, that is my egg white. It has been separated already. So quickly I'm going to grab a teaspoon and my Vaseline, and I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of this Vaseline and turn it into the egg. So guys, I'm successfully scooped out 1 teaspoon of my Vaseline and I'm trying to put it into my egg white. It's a little bit hard, so I'm using my hand for this, and I am still on it. I have successfully scooped out 1 teaspoon from the spoon, and I'm going to use this to turn it for about 2 to 3 minutes to get the consistency I'm looking for. So I shifted my camera a little bit closer so you can see how I am stirring this to get the perfect texture I am looking for. So after stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes, it started getting foamy, as you can see. So here I am going to add my olive oil to give the skin a little shining tone, and I have just added the olive oil and I'm going to continue stirring that mixture. I'm going to stir it very well this time so everything can blend in properly, so you can use it soon. So this is the final product of our mixture and it is ready to be used and applied. Look how foamy it is. Guys, we are back for making our facial mask and it is ready for application. So stay tuned with me, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, please. Thank you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, turn on your notification button to get more of this video. So I'm going to start applying my face mask, so stick with me. So guys, I'm trying to apply it again on my face to make it very, very thick so that it can cover up my skin properly and really blend into my face and kill all the pores there. Guys, I am done with it. Now we wait for it to dry. So I've been carrying it for up to 5 to 7 minutes now and it is dry. This face mask, you can see it is ready to be peeled off, but I don't like peeling off my facial mask because it hurts my skin and my skin is very, very, very sensitive. So I'm going to be using a bowl of water and my towel to clean it out. So if you know your skin is very sensitive like mine, do not peel off this facial mask. Just use water and towel to clean it out and it's still going to give you the same result. So let's just do that now. My face it is glowing, it's shining, even without using my ring light, which I normally use for my camera. It is looking good and neat. So you should definitely try it out, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I am going to answer all your questions, and check the description box to check out the ingredient and the instrument and the steps which I used in making this recipe. And also don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to get my latest updates, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye guys.